What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today, I want to talk to you about doing retail arbitrage at Walmart and explain why you aren't making money. Now, one of the questions I get from a lot of people that I do coaching with is, okay, you're doing retail arbitrage at Walmart, but why? Why would you spend the time buying stuff from Walmart to resell over on Amazon when everybody has a Walmart? Walmarts are everywhere, right? That's the one biggest misconception that I think so many people have is, but they have a Walmart. Why wouldn't they just go to Walmart and buy the exact same product? Well, here's the reason why I think so many people struggle. And I'm going to show you 3 different items that you can go right now to Walmart and buy. Now, whether the price is the exact same as it is for me, as it is for you, I have no idea. But one of the things that so many people struggle with is the price at Walmart over in the Seattle, Washington area for a toy might be different than something over in Atlanta, Georgia, or over in Dallas, Texas, or Sacramento, California, or over in Miami, Florida. If there is a Walmart in Miami, I assume there is. But that's what you need to understand, is there is a price difference no matter where you go in the world. And it happens at every store, not just Walmart. So let me show you 3 different items. Let me explain why you aren't making any money. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do so now so you don't miss any more of my free videos. So here is one item right here. Now, some of these items, some of these 3, or actually 2 of these, you might not be able to sell. The last one, you will be able to sell. I almost guarantee it. Okay? So this one right here, it's an Ace. It's a knee brace, but it has the dual stabilizers for lateral support. Okay, you can see the stabilizer right here on the side. Now, that's not what's important. What's important is I buy these, okay, because they only cost me, for this one right here, cost me $4.96 or 97 cents, okay, to get some of these here in my local area, all right? So under $5 to get this exact same knee brace at Walmart. That's the key. I'm buying all this stuff at Walmart. Now, is this making me a lot of money? No, it's not making me a lot of money. I had to go and get approved to sell Ace. They blocked me, and I think they've been blocking a lot of people lately. But if you get blocked, if you get restricted, go and try and request approval. Some people will get automatically approved. Some people you have to buy their products from a wholesale supplier first, get the invoice, send it off to Amazon, and get approved that way. But no big deal. Now, let me give you a tip. One of the things I learned very early on about buying stuff from Walmart, because I have the same understanding as everybody else, is why would somebody go to Amazon to buy the product when they probably go to Walmart once a week anyway? Why wouldn't they just buy it there? It's cheaper. Most people don't know it's cheaper. Most people have that assumption that Walmart is going to be more expensive than Amazon. Target is going to be more expensive than Amazon. Costco is going to be more expensive than Amazon. But that's not the case. Amazon, in most cases, is going to be more expensive for some of these things. Now, here's a tip for you guys. When you find a product, for example, this Ace knee brace, from what I understand, this is about a $7 to $8 brace on most other places, most other locations going to a Walmart. It's a $5 brace for me and people around my area. The reason why I don't care about giving it away is I actually found a place to buy it for cheaper than $5. So if you want to go to Walmart and buy it, by all means go ahead. But I'll probably be able to make more money than you by selling this exact same brace because I found a supplier that I can buy from. Okay, so no big deal. Now, here's the other thing. I find products that I know I can buy in my area or I can get my hands on doing wholesale, and I buy those products and I just buy them over and over and over again. That is the number 1 tip, is when you find a product, go back to the store, buy it again. Go to the next store, buy it again. Go to the next store, buy it again. And in the meantime, figure out how you can get that price down just a little bit. Even 2-3% savings is going to be more money in your pocket, and that's what you need. All right, so the next item. Here's one of the reasons why I believe so many people struggle to make money. This item right here, okay, let me show you something really quick. This item right here, it's actually selling for $63.99. Good ranking in toys and games, okay? But here's what you gotta understand. The ranking has dropped. It's gotten better because of Q4 sales, okay? This is all Q4. Now, here's what you need to understand, is when, right now it's at, where's that, $63, something like that, $63.99, you can see it right there. So let's say it's selling at $63. Great. But when Amazon's on the listing, you can see their name right there to the right of my cursor. They're selling at $39.99 all day long. Okay? But when Amazon's not on the listing, back up to over $60. But the ranking goes up to over 100,000. Okay? $73. A ranking goes up to 70,000. Okay? 60,000 ranking, $73. $79 sale price, 126,000 in ranking, but in toys and games. So what is the reason why I'm even showing you this? Well, the main reason why I'm showing you this is actually because this is an item I can sell. This is a VTech item. Most people can't sell that. And what? Okay, let me just slow down a little bit. When I say most people, I'm talking about most new sellers are not going to be able to sell this product. Okay, they're not going to go through the hurdles to sell VTech. Now, with that said, just because I can buy it and sell it and you can't, don't look at what I'm doing as, oh, it's a hurdle, it's an excuse, I can't go there. The items he's showing me at Walmart, I can't sell. No, I'm just telling you, this item you may or may not be able to sell. You probably won't be able to. However, there's going to be a whole bunch of items. You go through that aisle, there's going to be all the items to the left of that item, all the items to the right. Scan them. Figure out which ones you can sell. Because just because this one item is something you can't sell doesn't mean you need to stop your sourcing at Walmart. Go to Walmart. Figure out what items work for you. Because I can tell you right now, just because I can buy this and it's profitable, other people may be able to find it, but they can't sell it on Amazon. Go sell it on eBay. But other people that can't find it, but they can sell this product. So my tip for you guys is to figure out what products you can buy and sell. Take those products, make a list, write it down, put it in your phone. You know, if you have a great memory, memorize it, because the next store you go to, it may be there. And just keep adding to that list of products you can buy that are profitable. Just keep adding and adding and adding, and eventually you'll get there, you start making more money. All right, so the next item on this list, it's something that everybody can get. It's at every single Walmart, guaranteed. You can probably sell. I don't believe this is a restricted brand at all. I've never asked or been asked to get approved for this brand. So I don't think it's restricted. Everybody that I've asked, they can sell it too. So I'm gonna give you an item. Now, when I give you this item, the reason why I'm showing you this is because it's gonna open up your eyes to a bunch of new possibilities. Let me show you the item right here. Okay? And tell me, do you find this item at your local Walmart store? Probably do. It's a great value. Everyday paper premium plates, 100 plates. They're 8 and 5 inches. Are these at every single Walmart store? Yes, they are. Every single one. I've never went into a Walmart store and not been able to find these plates. Now, are they make the most amount of money? No, they're not. Are they a big, bulky product? Yes, they are. Are they selling off the shelves, 1,000 a day? No, they're not. They're selling really well, but they're not selling 1,000 a day. Now, let me show you something. So, it's currently selling at $12.92. You can see it right here, $12.92. Okay? I can buy this item from my local Walmart store for $3.76. On most stores, it's right about $4.50. Okay? So I'm getting about a 75-cent discount, which is helping with my profit. Because if I was buying it at $4.50 and it costs 40 cents to ship, roughly, okay? And again, it's 2.5 pounds, okay? Which is pretty good. 40 cents, pretty good. If you're gonna do this, I'd recommend do pallets. You're gonna save a lot more money. Okay, but I'm gonna say 40 cents for shipping. Now that means I'll make 63 cents per product sold. Now it costs me $4.50 to make 63 cents. It's not a great idea. However, when I can buy it, let's say $3.76, okay, which is normally what I buy it for. $3.76, I'm making $1.37. Okay, again, 40 cents is probably a little bit high. I'm gonna put it down to about 20 cents. It's just gonna change a little bit. So was about 40% ROI that I'm making. Now, I don't know, that math might be a little bit off, but the cost of the product based on my net profit, I'm going to say it's right around 40%. So 40% on this product, which I can go any day, anytime, any store and buy it. Okay? But am I going to get it for $3.76? Don't know. Now, why am I showing you this? Let me explain again. The reason why I'm showing you those plates, number one, you probably have a Walmart store around you. Number two, this item is going to be in that store. However, number three, this is a product that it's great value. It's a Walmart brand. Now, most people think, Walmart brand, you're not going to make any money off the Walmart brand. Really? I just showed you a product that I can make money off of. Okay, and now again, $1.37, whatever, to $1.50, I'm gonna make per product. It's not very much. So to spend my time to do the sourcing, to bring it back, package it up, ship it off, it's, in my opinion, it's not really worth my time. I still do it every once in a while, but again, it's not really worth my time to make that little bit of profit. So that's one of the reasons why I'm giving it to you. Because if you jump on, it's not hurting me very much. And the second reason why is because this is going to get you to open up your eyes. Now you start looking at great value. You're going to start looking at maybe there's a Safeway brand, or there's other stores, the Target brand. Okay, all these different brands are now coming on to the market, and you can pretty much pick up the item, scan it, and just see, is this a profitable item? Sometimes there is. Sometimes these new brands, these private label brands that these big box retailers are coming up with, they're giving you a great discount, and you can make money by selling it or reselling it over on Amazon. And the best part about this is almost every single one of these private label brands from these big box stores, it's not restricted. So you can jump in, start making some money, and really, what's the harm in that, right? So that's just what I want to show you, and that's why I think so many people are struggling to make money doing retail arbitrage at Walmart, simply because they're not figuring out what they can and can't sell. They walk into the store and think, oh my God, everything is restricted. Nothing is profitable. But that's not the case. There's a bunch of stuff that's profitable. It may just not be profitable on the items that you are not restricted on. So what that means is you need to get approved to sell those products, to sell inside those categories, to sell those brands. Do that as fast as possible, because that's probably the one thing that's really limiting your success. All right? So if you have any questions on doing retail arbitrage at Walmart, if you're struggling to make money and you don't know why, let me know down in the comment section below, or you can always send me an email. Send me an email at homemade-entrepreneur@gmail.com, and I'll answer you there. But again, go and do some retail arbitrage. Just because I'm shooting this video, it's like the middle of December, 2018, Q4. We're in the heart of it. We're making money. Okay, that's all great. However, once Q4 is over, New Year's is here. We're into January. There's still money to be made, and that's where you can make a killing as well. That's where you can really build your business, and I think you should. So anyway, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did and you learned something, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, so you can get more free videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.